Here I'm working on leveling this floor that's to the right of that red level. To the left of that red level. To the right, this area over here, that was already level with the main floor of the house. But to the left of that level, there was a line there, and it sloped toward the door over there. And what I should have done was level the entire area that I wanted with flat cement to the left of the level, to the door, and to the where you can see this washing machine on the left here. Instead, what I did was I applied texture in this area over here, textured that. Then I thought, well, I want to seal to where that red level is, and that would match this corner right there. I want to stain and seal there, and I want to extend the stain. As I do it incrementally, you extend the stain about a foot, foot and a half beyond where the sealer stops. So I started putting textured cement to try and raise it up to match the floor on the right. And it's taken forever. I've been mixing the cement in that little dish pan over there. I apply about 1.5 gallons of cement at a time. And I probably got about 20 pourings of cement down here. But now I'm at the end. So if I just put some smooth cement where those buckets are, and then one more coat of textured cement where that dish pan is, and come out about 3 feet, then I'll be done. I'll be ready to stain. That's going to allow me to stain the laundry room to the right, and then about 1.5 feet beyond to the left of where that red level is leaning against the wall. So I'm getting closer, but it took longer than I expected because I didn't sequence things properly.